what I'm doing right now is making my own pepper mix. This is the Himalayan pink salt, and these are peppercorns. So this one is plain, this one is mixed. So all I do is like put them in here and mix them together, and then I can easily just grind over my food without worrying. It's like final seasoning. That's why I'm using the pink salt. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make tuna salad. I just found I had some leftover tuna, so I buy these tuna steaks from the market in Akasero. If you're in Kampala or any supermarket really near you, you can easily get the tuna steak, or you can buy the canned one. So I'm not a fan of like overly canned things, so usually I'll buy fresh ingredients and make things for myself. So this small tuna remained from a class I had over the weekend. Yes, I do teach physical classes, and then I figured now I can just make a salad because I want to eat and then also show you, or you get to learn on how you can make this at home. It's one of the most delicious salads I have tasted, but doesn't look like it, I promise, but it's amazing. So all you need is tuna salad. You can stay basic. You just have to crush this. Usually when it's canned, it will be mushy. The texture is already soft, but the one which is cooked, because I pan-seared this one, all I did was season it with salt and pepper and then pan-sear it. All you need to do is maybe chop it or finely shred it. Yeah, so we need some tuna, of course. We need salt and pepper. This is salt and pepper mixture I was just making a while ago. It's peppercorns and black and pink Himalayan salt rocks. So I just mix it in the grinder so that when I want to season something in the final stages, it's a good mixture and it's easy to work with. And then I have some mayonnaise. I prefer this one because it tastes much better, of course. And then I have Dijon mustard, yeah, for that good kick, the tang from the mustard. These are optional, by the way, so you can just go on with the mayonnaise alone. And then I love my food with a bit of spice, so let it, like, when it hits the palate, it should be able to do something, wake me up. And then I have some herbs. This is dill. Yeah, dill, it's a herb, goes perfectly well with fish. And then I have some green onions, which I'm just going to use to garnish, and also they bring out that freshness. Yes, I have the pickled ones, but also the green onions will work. And then I have this cucumber. I'm still deciding if I should like make small cucumber boats or something, or maybe just add it in for a crunch. If you have celery, fantastic, it will do. And then I have some lemon. This is a green lemon. I'm just going to squeeze it in just to add in some of that acidity and also elevate the flavor of the salad. So that's it. All we are going to do right now is get cutting and assembling. So I also have my salad bowl here, which we are going to be using to receive everything that we are going to be cutting. So I'm going to start, of course, with the tuna. I told you this one is pan-seared, so it's quite firm. If you can see, the texture is quite like hard-ish. It's firm, it's not mushy. So if I want, I can just shred it like that, but I'm just going to go on ahead and cut it. Yeah. When you cut it transverse or against the grains, it easily just breaks around, because if you've noticed, tuna is like made in small layers. Not made, but like that's how God made it. So these ones, like this layer, this one, this one, this one. So when we disintegrate them, they can easily fall apart. So that one is gone. I can easily get another one like this, gone. Like this, gone. So when I cut them like this transverse or against these grains, it's easy to just get the texture like this. If you have not subscribed yet, I'm here to urge you to please subscribe. Make sure to stay here because I'm going to now get serious. We are in the last cut. I always say this. I always say I'm going to get serious, and then life takes me off and I'm like, I'm back. Hi guys, I'm back. But Now we are here, and I'm glad that you people stayed, because even when I've not been super consistent on YouTube, you guys have stayed here and showed me love. Yeah, when you watch ads, I get to make some money, and it's been coming. So yeah, I'm grateful for you, and the ones who are sharing my videos with your friends, with your family. I really appreciate so much. So there we are. We have our shredded tuna. Like I said, of course, you're gonna find tuna, canned tuna in the supermarket shelves. But if you can, a kg is 60,000, which is about $2. No, $20. $20 in the seafood shop that I told you about in Nakasero. So this is how much tuna we have. We have gotten from half the steak that had stayed, so that is going to go on the side. And then I've just thought about it, and I think I should just add in some cucumber. Cut this. You can remove the seeds because they can easily make your salad soggy. So something like this, you want it gone. I'm just going to, I could have easily just cut them out, but here we are. Creating content is not the easiest thing, by the way. Some people make it seem or look easy. Some people, it's their full-time job. Some people, like us, we are just struggling, but this is what we're doing what we gotta do, because one, I love doing this, I love sharing. And yeah, so when you support by subscribing, by liking, and being part of the community, it just makes a lot of sense. And I really appreciate that. So we're going to go in with our spicy pickled onions. Just in case you don't know how to make pickles at home, by the way, I have a video on my channel on how to pickle these, also how to pickle some cucumbers. So please make sure to check the description box, or just go on my channel and scroll a little pages down, and you're gonna see it, because it's not far away. But I'll still put the link in the description box. So we are also going to chop them up. You want, when you're chopping things for, say, for example, a salad or anything really, you want the cuts to be uniform, so that we don't have blocks and then a few threads or chiffons here and there. So you want the consistency of the salad to just, you know, for it to just be coherent. You want to chop things up and have a uniform product. So we're going to chop up some of the dill leaves. Also do some of the white part of the green onion, add it in. Done with the chopping. Get my lemon juicer. I'll get some of this lemon. I will not be using a lot, so I'm using like not so half, slightly under half this lemon. So I would say something like a teaspoon, because you don't want it to be soggy. You don't want the liquid to be too much. So first I'm going to go in with the mustard. This is Dijon, so I'm putting in this much, just not a lot. And I'll also add in about 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then I'll get my pepper and salt mixture, and I'll season this, and then all I have to do now is bring it together. Always remember to taste the food. I will not tire of saying this, I'll not get tired. Remember to test whatever you're cooking so that you can adjust before you serve yourself or anyone that you have chosen to cook for on that particular moment. Because I made it, it's of course delicious. I feel like the mayo just puts it together so well, and then the freshness of the dill, it just adds on. If we had bread, we would have made some tuna salad sandwich, one of the best, Usually I use the French baguette or the grain loaf, and it tastes amazing. I tell you, the texture may not look like much, but I promise you, it tastes like heaven. It tastes like it knows what it's supposed to be doing. And that is the beauty about, I know someone is going to ask me, if I don't have tuna, can I use another type of fish? Yes, you can, but I want you to appreciate the different textures and flavor profiles of different fish, because yes, they may almost be the same in the same environment or all be fish, but they do not taste or don't even have the same texture. So please watch out for that. You can start with whatever you have, but whenever you get tuna, please give it a try. Thank you so much for watching up until this time. We are going to serve this and enjoy. I'm going to put it on cucumber, so something like this. Like this. And delicious. You should really try this recipe. Let's get ready for the next. Bye. So here we are, and this is one of the ways you can have your salad. You can just have it on a cucumber sliced down just to support it, a tomato or a piece of bread, depending on what you have and how you like it. The most important thing right now is getting the salad right, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you try it out and you let me know how it turns out in the comments.